Hi, my name is Ravinder, and in this video I will tell you how to turn your home into a real smart home with smart accessories from Hue. I will show you 3 different accessories: the Hue Switch, the Smart Plug, and the Motion Sensor. To use these accessories, you need the Hue Bridge. With it, you can add up to 50 lamps and 10 accessories to your network and get access to all functions of Hue and routines, and you can control your lamps even when you're not home. With the Hue Bridge, your connection is always stable and your lighting responds immediately to your commands. You can also connect smart assistants with it, like Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home. The bridge updates automatically, so you always have the newest version, best security, and smartest features. Want to know more about the Hue Bridge? Then check out this video too. I explain everything to you there. The Hue Dimmer Switch is a handy remote control for your smart lamp, allowing you to control your lighting from anywhere in your house. With a single click, you can turn your lights off or back on, or have your lighting gradually dim. If you want, you can set the switch so that your lighting adapts to the time of day. For example, in the morning you have bright white light to have breakfast, and in the evening, a warm glow to relax. You do that with the Hue app. There you can also set your personal light sensor, which you can then activate with the press of a button. The switch also comes in the form of a smart button and a tap dial. The smart light buttons all run on batteries and have no wiring, so you can install them very easily on your walls without having to pull wires. Just use them as a remote control, then you never have to get up from your couch to control the light. The Smart Plug is a smart plug and socket in one. It is a small, unobtrusive accessory with which you can also turn traditional lamps smart, like another table lamp. With the Smart Plug, you add lamps to your system, even when they are not Hue lamps, and you don't need extra cables for it. This way, you can also control your old, familiar lamps with the Hue app. That's easy, right? And last but not least, the Motion Sensor. With it, your smart lighting automatically turns on when someone comes nearby. There are 2 types, indoor and outdoor sensors. With the Hue Outdoor Sensor, your outdoor lamps automatically turn on as soon as someone comes nearby. That is handy if you, for example, take some things out of your car or come home in the evening and enter your house. This way you get a warm welcome every day without having to do anything for it. But such an outdoor sensor is not only handy and cozy, it is also good for your peace of mind. It actually helps with securing your home. Thanks to the wide viewing angle and the large detection range, the outdoor sensor notices every movement. The sensor then immediately switches on your outdoor lights and scares off unwanted guests. You can also easily set this sensor with your app. This way, you determine the sensitivity for daylight and movement. The built-in dusk sensor ensures that your lights only turn on when it is really dark outside, and that helps you save energy. The outdoor sensor is weather-resistant, battery-powered, and completely wireless, so you can easily place it anywhere you want. Perfect for your front yard, around the corner from your front door, by the garage, or any other spot around your house. This way you can leave the house with peace of mind. For indoor use, you use this motion sensor. This way you move safely through your home. You can place it, for example, on your landing. If you get out of bed at night to go to the toilet, your lights automatically turn on, and so you never have to be afraid of accidentally stepping into the stairwell. You can easily set the sensor via the app. For example, determine the sensor sensitivity and set the brightness and tint of the light as you want it. The motion sensors are wireless, work on batteries, and are supplied with screws and a magnet, so you can install it very easily without cables or hassle. Now you know everything about the accessories from Hue. Did you like this video and want to know more about the smart lamps and devices from Hue? Then check out our channel because you'll find many more tips there. Bye!